first robotics team is created, it's like a small seed in a forest. In order for this seed to grow, it requires a strong community, support, and appropriate resources.
We began as Team Synergy. We were fortunate enough to have our robotics teacher as our coach and the computers teacher as the assistant coach, as well as a decent-sized mentor team. This support is helpful for a team to build a successful robot.
At Waterford, we were picked for the elimination rounds and with great teamwork made it to semifinals.
Unfortunately, our head coach was unable to continue growing with us.
Teams go through unexpected changes. Our first was becoming the Goon Squad. Our prior assistant coach and main mentor stepped up as coaches.
We learned more about other systems like pneumatics and programming.
We also changed when our coach had to leave.
Like a tree in the winter, the Goon Squad seemed to be dying. We had no coach or funding, but just like that tree, inside we were alive and well. Our team adamantly searched to find a coach. Because of their persistence, the previous assistant coach and mentor committed to being coaches.
Our small team grew closer and created a stellar season.
Every robotics team should get involved in their community. We helped build a bocce ball court for senior citizens and made blankets for the Starfish Drive. We had a teacher reverse our robot in a shoot-off to increase student participation.
All of the skills that robotics team learned helped them to accomplish their firsts. This was our first year as an Alliance captain, and as a third-year team, we made it to States for the first time.
When a team has a strong community, lots of support, and ample resources, they are able to produce many accomplishments. We kept our coaches and doubled our team size and were asked to join DADRA. We received our highest seed of second at Southfield and placed second at Livonia. We also went to States and made fourth backup team to Worlds.
We started up teams 5090 and 5263 by performing demos at their high schools. We also created an FLL team and continue to support all these teams today. In addition, we hosted a Week 0 event for Downriver teams. We served as counselors by guiding kids through a day at camp. We were also invited to show what FIRST really is at Ford's Take Your Kid to Work Day. When a team becomes sturdy, it can use its knowledge and experience to help give back to the community and other teams. With our biggest team yet, we will continue impacting our community and other teams in the FIRST community. We helped create an FRC and FTC team and are in the process of creating an FLL team. We're continuing to help out as much as possible. We're also creating a summer camp to teach science and engineering to kids. To help raise awareness, we participated in the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. When people hear about robotics, their initial thought is building a robot, but FIRST is about working together, improving your community, and spreading STEM throughout the world. As the Goon Squad grows, we will spread and voice all that FIRST is to the world.